How do I transfer my data from my old phone to my new one?
Hello and welcome to our latest video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to transfer your data from your old phone to your new one. No need to worry about losing your pictures, apps, contacts, or messages. We've got you covered.
What do you need before starting?
Before we dive into the process, make sure you have both your old and new phones, and they both have enough battery life. It would also be useful to have both devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. It's important that you also know your account credentials, like Apple ID or Google account, as they are often required during the data transfer process.
How to transfer data on iPhones?
If you're an iPhone user, you're in luck because Apple has made it really easy to transfer all your data using iCloud or Quick Start. iCloud method. 1. On your old phone, go to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud backup now. 2. Once the backup is done, turn on your new iPhone and you'll see a Hello screen. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions until you see the Apps and Data screen. 4. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in to your iCloud account and choose the backup you've just created. Quick Start method. 1. Turn on your new iPhone and place it near your old iPhone. The Quick Start screen appears on your old device and offers the option of using your Apple ID to set up your new device. 2. Make sure that it's the Apple ID that you want to use, then tap Continue. 3. An animation appears on your new device. Hold your old device over the new device, then center the animation in the viewfinder. 4. Enter your old device's passcode on your new device and follow the instructions to set up Face ID or Touch ID on your new device. 5. Choose to restore from iCloud Backup and select the most recent backup of your old device.
How to transfer data on Android phones?
If you're an Android user, Google also offers a similarly easy method using Google's backup service. 1. On your old phone, go to Settings, System, Backup now. 2. Now, on your new Android phone, sign in to your Google account during the initial setup. 3. You'll be asked if you want to restore a backup. Select your old device's backup from the list and tap Restore. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to transfer your data from your old phone to your new one. Remember, the key to a successful data transfer is ensuring both devices are sufficiently charged, connected to Wi-Fi, and that you know your account credentials. We hope this video has been helpful and happy transferring.